Hi, welcome to my Toons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw an astronaut. So get your pencil and also keep your marker nearby. And let's begin. So follow along with me. The first thing we're going to do, as usual, as always, we're going to begin with the eyes. So you're going to draw a big, round, beautiful eye and another eye, like about this distance away. Good. There we go. And we're going to draw a beautiful little nose. There we go. And a smile like this. Good. And the bottom of our little astronaut's mouth like this. Perfect. That's great. Let's complete the eye. You're going to draw just a line below, and from here another line as well. Good. Light reflection. One on top, one below. Another one, and then one below. And eyebrows. There's one, and there's the other one. Perfect. Now for the chin. You're just going to draw a little mark like that, and you're going to follow it along. There we go. There's one, and follow it along, and there's the other one. That's absolutely perfect. Now we're going to draw the spacesuit. So right up there, we're going to draw a round line. That's why I use a pencil, because sometimes we make a little mistake and we can rectify it later with our marker. So I would just make a little mark like this, and I will go up and over like that as well. There we go. And now we're going to draw the helmet. So it's going to be on top there. You're going to bring it all around like this. And this side as well. Good. To there. And then from here we're going to draw the bottom of the space helmet, and we're going to go up like so. There we go, and there's the helmet. That's perfect. And now for the suit. So right here we're going to draw the first arm. Just draw a line like that. And you're going to just bring it out like this. Okay, so, and you're going to make a little crease. And then from here, we're going to do the same thing. You can draw it out, and you're going to bring it back. So that's going to be the arms. Then let's draw a thumb. So there's one thumb. Good. And then you're just going to do something like that. And then you're just going to draw little fingers like this. Good. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a little thumb like so, a round line like that, and you're just going to do this as well. Good, perfect. It's going to go up, and you're going to just draw a line like this. And this side as well, up and a line like that. That's absolutely perfect. And then we're just going to go down, and this is just a rough sketch. Don't worry if you make mistakes. So we're going to draw the top of the spacesuit, and you're just going to finish it like that. And maybe we're going to draw something like this. And then from here, you're just going to draw a line straight. And then from here, you're going to draw another line straight like that as well. And then right here, I want you to draw the bottom of a foot, something like that. And then again, something like that again. Good. There we go. And that would be a space shoe, yeah. And then up here we can actually draw something around like this, and you can bring it down, and something around like this. Good. Perfect. And then we're just going to draw a rough line down, and we're going to draw sort of a leg, because our spaceman is hanging free in space. I think that would be absolutely brilliant to see that. So then from here you can draw a line, and you're going to draw it over like this. There we go. Good. And we'll draw a little bit of a kneecap right there, and we're just going to draw a little foot like so. So I think there's our little spaceman. So the next thing we're going to do, you can take your marker, and what we're going to do is we're going to complete this little spaceman. So we're going to first do the helmet. So you start right there, you go around. Good. All the way around, and lock it up like so. Take it around, and then you can connect it. Same thing here. Take it all the way around. You're going to connect it like this. And now we're going to just make a little bit of a pattern here. Something like this, just to give some interest to our little spacesuit. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to just make another line like this. And this we're going to use to color it in. Just to make the spacesuit a bit interesting. A bit more interesting actually. And maybe a little antenna on top of the head. There we go. There's a small little antenna. Great. And now we're going to draw these big beautiful eyes of our astronaut. There we go. And remember the light reflections. You can pause the video if you want, and you can just go over the lines with your marker. Good. Just do that. Bring it over. And the beautiful little smile of our happy little astronaut. There we go. Perfect. And the little tongue. And of course the jaw. Don't forget the jaw. There we go. And we're going to bring it back like this. And then maybe some hair for our little astronaut. So let's make it. Let's give our little astronaut some hair. There we go. And maybe some hair down there as well. Good. And this side we can do the same. Good. And we can maybe just draw a little ear there as well. Perfect. Good. And as usual, let's color in our eye. And stay within the lines. We're going to do the same thing here as well. There we go. Yes, our little spaceman. Perfect. And now we're going to do the arms. So you're going to make it round. What you can do, you can make it round to the edge, and then you can just complete it like that. And then this, you draw it up, and then from here, let's draw the little hand of our astronaut. There we go. Good. And we can draw some sections there to show that it's some sort of a suit that our astronaut has on. And we're going to just complete this like so. Perfect. And then we're going to do the spacesuit. And we're going to bring it down like this. And I'm going to do something interesting. I'm just going to bring it down like this. Just for interesting sake. Just to bring some interest to the little suit of our spaceman or our astronaut. And a little crease like that. From here we can connect it. And then here. So I made my thumb a bit too big. So maybe I must just do this. And I can make a line like that. And we can make the fingers as well. With the little segments. There we go. Perfect. And then this one we can do the same. And there's a hand. Perfect. And then complete it. There we have the arms and everything. I think that looks absolutely amazing. Then we're going to do the bottom part of our little astronaut. Like this. Like this. And we're going to go all the way up and around. Perfect. I'm going to start with the kneecap first. I'm just going to make a little sort of a crease there. Like this. And I'm going to draw our little spacesuit. And the leg on top. Perfect. Same thing here. Kneecap first. Bring it down. Then I'm going to draw the little space boot. And the heel. That's right. And we can maybe just bring it up and bring it up. And then right here I want to do something like this, and we're going to connect it. And then from here I'm just going to make a line straight there and another line straight there. And we can maybe put some texture underneath the boot, so it looks like a real space boot. And there's our little astronaut. And there's one thing we forgot, and that's maybe a pipe or something that our spaceman use to be connected to the spaceship. And you're just going to draw a line, and we're going to go across, and we're going to just draw these lines everywhere. Perfect. And that can be sort of a life cord or something that keeps our astronaut to the spaceship. So there we go. We can maybe just draw a little something there, and you can and this can be some sort of a device or something, but in any case. And then maybe just a little mark here as well for some texture, yeah, for some design. And then on the leg as well. There we go. There we go. And I think that's our little astronaut. What do you think? I think this astronaut looks absolutely amazing. So great. Now, what you can do, you can take the crayons or pencils or markers or the colors you like, and you can color it in the way you want. And I'm sure this astronaut will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.